This is the Bedding Pro. It shreds straw and hay for livestock or for spreading on fields. But its inventor says the Bedding Pro does that better than what farmers normally use. Paul Fox says the idea came from a neighbor.
So he came home and he said, why can't we develop something that makes literally no dust, that's quiet? And that was the main focus.
3 years later, the machine has been changed several times to fit other farmers' suggestions.
We literally took people's comments as in, okay, I want it to do straw, I want it to do silage, I want it to be able to do frozen bales with a minimum amount of dust.
Now what he has created is this, a machine small enough to use with a 40 horsepower tractor that has an attachment to lift bales and chops up and spreads straw and hay neatly. Fox says the chopped up straw is fluffy enough that farmers can get away with using less for the same job. And he says that's been attractive for berry farmers in particular. He's even had calls from oil and gas companies interested in using machines like his at development sites.
Traditionally, the island is all potato country. And as we all know, in the last few years, the potato industry has been on the downswing, so you just have to diversify and, hit other markets.
Berry farmer Claude McCardle bought his Bedding Pro 3 years ago and uses it to cover his fields for winter.
The thing about it is you can vary the depth of the straw on the berries to whatever depth you want.
And Paul Fox is hoping that interest is going to continue so he can expand and grow his company. Sheila Taylor, CBC News, North Tryon.